Are you considering migrating from Auvik to a more customized and powerful network monitoring setup? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of transitioning to PRTG and UVexplorer, two powerful tools that, when combined, offer a replacement for the Auvik platform. Auvik is a great tool, but it may be very expensive at a time when budgets are pressed. PRTG provides a robust and scalable monitoring solution, while UVexplorer excels in detailed network mapping and visualization. Together, they create a comprehensive network management environment at an affordable rate. Before you begin the migration, it's essential to follow these key steps. First, back up your data. Ensure that all your network data and configurations in Auvik are backed up. Second, assess your network by taking note of your current network setup, including all devices, subnets, and dependencies. Third, familiarize yourself with PRTG and UVexplorer. Spend some time learning the basics of both tools, so you're ready for the switch. Start with PRTG installation. Download the installer from the official website and follow the installation wizard. Once installed, configure PRTG to match your network's needs by setting up probes, sensors, and alerts. Next, install UVexplorer and connect it to PRTG. Use it to create detailed network maps and export this data into PRTG, where you can use it to enhance your monitoring capabilities. Here are some best practices to ensure a smooth migration. First, don't try to switch off Auvik and switch on PRTG and UVexplorer. Set up both systems and have them run simultaneously. This will ensure fewer catastrophic events. Second, test the software thoroughly to ensure they meet your requirements and you no longer need Auvik. Third, create detailed documentation of the new monitoring tools so that colleagues and management can maintain PRTG and UVexplorer. Once the migration is complete, it's time to optimize. Fine-tune your PRTG sensors and UVexplorer maps to ensure maximum efficiency. Regularly review your settings to adapt to changes in your network. Thank you for watching this video on how to migrate from Auvik to PRTG and UVexplorer. For more information on UVexplorer and to schedule a demo, visit UVexplorer.com.